Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I know, sir, this is Mr. Mayor, and we always come out and lick out on things around. You understand? Boy told me Aunty Donna talk in good Derek. You understand? And that is wrong, Aunty Donna. Cause it's like you know, that's where your flesh will bone. You understand? It's state where Derek in now, and the condition of Derek is not a person where people feel good. You understand? Sometimes you have to know you standard. You understand? I remember say roll of a hype and you pan gully bap time with you and the pasta, you know. You understand? You can't talk them things about the man t-shirt money I go nyam out and things like that. Derek hungry for a long time. You understand? So if you make money, best thing what you have to do with your money is to eat it. You understand? The best investment in any man is when I eat your money. It's not to make big house and buy big car and show off on people. You understand? I remember say your program is a begging program, but right now you come like at the rich, you want beg for, or if you beg for somebody, you understand? The person if you continue come at your house, come beg you for you get fame and famous off of them. Them things they're not right. You understand? Auntie Donna, if you stop them things there. You understand? If you deal with the poor, you just deal with the poor straight up. You understand? And each one who poor will come to you equal. You deal with them equal. You understand? Because you could have deal with Gully Bop system even better than that, you know. You understand? That's what Mr. Mayor said. I'm listening you clean. And now you turn upon, what the guy the name again? Derek. You understand? Anybody go Derek no have no mind, no have no conscience. You can't go Derek. Derek is not a type of person where people will grudge. You understand? So if you want to help Derek, what you should have do? Encourage him. You understand? And beg some money because your program a begging program. You understand? Because remember you beg the whole world. You understand what I mean? You use beg some money and help Derek and put him somewhere because Derek poor. You understand? You know, if you do them things, them man. Oh, you run things and you run it like some thief in pasta. You understand? Some people will say them a pasta and them not real. You understand? Fake people. We beg people their money every day for Jesus. And if Jesus should have come, are the same people then where them a beg could have shake out them saving pan and buy one bag juice in Jesus. You understand? So you know if you do them thing them and Aunty Donna you have to stop them thing there and help the poor people them and stop laugh off of people them and thing like that. You understand? Them thing then are right. A long time I watch your program from Sherika and Bastard days, you know, cause you know so Sherika make your program come off and you kick him out of the system. You understand? You're not too out of order, man. You know if you stay on the lane and don't laugh off people when them down. You understand? Just try to help them up and things like that. Mr. Me help people, we not laugh off people. You understand? Yeah, that's how you think, go man. That makes me when you go laugh off of Derek now and talk to man t-shirt money you go nyam out and say, it's like a curse you put on Derek right there, so Auntie Donna, you have to stop them things, the man. If you do it for God, you do it for God, man, I don't do it. You understand? Stop it. Mr. Mayor, I tell you and I warn you, stop it. Yeah, man.